My name is Ezekiel James of Class 220. Today, I'll be talking about types of pollution. Land pollution or soil pollution is a contamination of soil by pollutants or abnormal toxin substances, such as fertilizers and litter. Land pollution can dangerously affect living organisms with cancer, deformities, and skin diseases. This happens when our food gets contaminated from unclean areas. Littering can also cause clogs in the drains, which leads to floods. Ways to prevent soil or land pollution are recycling and reusing, which may produce less trash or garbage, including plastic, paper, etc. Dispose of trash or garbage properly. Pick up trash or garbage even though it's not yours, and composing. This is when we pick up organic waste such as banana peels and store it in soil. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies by water pollutants such as oil spills, litter, and waste from factories. These pollutants also causes dangerous effects on living organisms, which are hepatitis and cholera, which is an infection by contaminated water. It kills organisms which depend on water, such as sharks, fishes, whales, just to name a few. They are killed because they digest the toxins in the polluted water, and in some cases, these sea animals may get caught up in litter. Ways to prevent water pollution are saving water, taking shorter showers or baths, always taking off a running tap when it's not in use, check for pipe leakage often, and always pick up garbage at the beaches, lakes, or rivers. Air pollution happens when toxic chemicals and other harmful particles, such as smoke from cigarettes, fossil fuels, toxic smoke from factories and cars or trucks that affect the ecosystem. Carbon dioxide is discharged into the air, while the smoke traps the heat from the sun into the atmosphere, resulting in global warming temperature. The temperature can add a chain of events like earthquakes and tornadoes. When polluted air is inhaled, it can cause diseases such as lung cancer, respiratory infections, heart diseases. These toxic gases can also destroy trees and plants, making them wither and die. Ways to prevent air pollution are: we can spread awareness to others, including family and friends. Always switch off electrical devices when finished using them. Reduce the use of private cars and public transport vehicles by carpooling and trying to ride bicycles or walk more. Noise pollution is the regular exposure of elevated sound levels. Some sources of noise pollution are loudspeakers, car horns, dogs barking, arguments, and construction in industries or in the environment. The effects of noise pollution are: it can cause a permanent damage to one's ears by going over our ear volume, meaning our ears are supposed to hear 1 decibel, but when it goes over 85 decibels, it can cause hair loss. It can also cause stress, poor concentration, productivity, loss of work or school, lack of sleep, communication difficulties, and cardiovascular disease. Ways to prevent noise pollution are: lower the television or volume, lower the television or radio to a volume converting to your ear. Stop honking your horns near schools and hospitals. Avoid shouting in someone's ear, and burst fireworks in an open area away from homes. This is a model of 4 types of pollution. Land pollution, as you can see, the land has a lot of garbage. This is a dump truck coming to dump garbage. And this area is not healthy for the occupants in the vehicle because, as you can see, the grass is no longer green. It's contaminated, and when they burn the garbage, it contributes to air pollution. Air pollution, as you can see, the factories discharge bad toxins in the environment. Also, the smoke from trucks and cars pollute the air, making pedestrians inhale toxins. Noise pollution. This car has a big speaker playing very loudly. Cars and trucks honking their horns because they are in traffic, construction site, drilling. All these are factors of unnecessary noise pollution. Water pollution. A ship leaking oil spills. Factory disposing of waste. Litter entering the marine. All these contribute to a toxic habitat for sea creatures and humans who depends on fresh water for their everyday life. Thank you.